Hello guys, hello everyone. On this video I show you how to install DaVinci Resolve on your Windows PC. Okay, so you need to access to the website of DaVinci Resolve. I will give you the link on the description and also on the first comment, and follow these steps. Okay, just make sure do the same thing like the video. Okay, so here we need to put our information. For me, I don't want to put my personal information, so I will put any name and any last name, and I will put not my email, etc. Okay, so but if you want to put your personal information, this is your opinion. Okay, so for me I don't want, so I put anything here. Okay, just to download, or just to make the DaVinci Resolve website give us the download link. Okay, so after we put the information, okay, as you can see here we are putting our information. This is not my information, of course. Okay, so after we finish, we click here, and directly they give us the download link. And also the download is start automatically, as you can see here. When you go to the downloads section on the browser, we see that this DaVinci Resolve, it start downloading. Okay, as you can see, after we download the DaVinci Resolve, we need WinRAR. Okay, so we click here and we go to WinRAR and extract. Here we need to extract the installer file. Okay, and we need WinRAR already installed on your PC. So we get the DaVinci Resolve installer, double click on it. Okay, we click on it, double, sorry, and DaVinci Resolve is start installing. Okay, so and here we need to check all these. Okay, so DaVinci Resolve sometimes needs some tools. Okay, so we want to install everything on the beginning to avoid the problems on the future. Okay, so we choose everything, and we need sometimes, okay, some files is start installing on our PC. So just give the DaVinci Resolve time to start installing on your PC. Okay, and there he is here. We need to install the DaVinci Resolve. Next, and we check agree. Next, we change, or we choose where we want to install it. For me, I will start on the C. Next, and DaVinci Resolve start installing on our PC. Okay, so to install DaVinci Resolve on PC, on Windows, it's very easy. Just follow the video step by step, and I will also leave you, or I will leave all the links on the description and also on the first comment. Okay, and here he need to restart the PC. Okay, so we can avoid this reboot later. Okay, so this is the DaVinci Resolve icon, so double click on it, and the DaVinci Resolve software is opened. Okay, so choose the language on the top. For me, I will choose the English, and I will click continue, and I will click skip, and here he is, the DaVinci Resolve software for editing the videos is on our PC. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.